Right, in this video I'm just going to show you how to replace the back cover of Garmin 1030 sat nav device. First thing first is to obviously preheat the edges of the screen. So we already did that. I'm just showing you need to do that in order to release the screen from the device. So work your way with the blade. If you haven't seen my previous video how to replace the screen, I'm just going to show you. Got to be very careful. Don't go too deep at the bottom again because the ribbon is there. You don't want to damage the ribbon. And carefully slide it open like a book. Take the tape off with the tweezers and detach the LCD cable. So you need a couple of screwdrivers, T5 and T6 for this, a pair of tweezers and the power tool. Make sure you take that tape off completely because there's a hidden screw underneath. So take your T5 screwdriver and open it. I've got two more screws on the sides. Take off the bit for the light sensor. So that's basically like a little funnel which guides the light for the sensor. So make sure you put that in properly. Otherwise, the light wouldn't show up on your screen. Simple as that. Slowly with the power tool, take off this connectors on the sides. Make sure you don't damage any bits underneath. You can feel it, and there's a tricky connector right at the end. You need to make sure you disconnect that from the board with the power tool. Slowly, don't damage any bits on the board, and that's it. Just taking it off the device, and take the battery cable off with a pair of tweezers, or if you have sharp nails. So make sure you take off the batteries and put it on the new box. And the reason why we're changing the back cover, because you know the mounting bits on it gets damaged, or the connector gets dirty and damaged. The memory card reader also get damaged, and the USB connector and the button. So these are the common bits which goes away on the back cover. So this is the reason why we're changing the back cover. Or maybe you just want a shiny new one. So make sure to remove the battery from the old one and then replace it with the new one. Obviously, we just showed you how to open the bits from the back cover, and that was the tutorial purposes. So we're going to put back the board into the back cover. Make sure you connect the battery first, and then very carefully connect the bottom part of the screen, the PCB board, to the back cover, the main board. You will feel it once it's touched in completely. Push it in, do the hidden screw first. Yeah, the side screw, doesn't matter really. And once all the screws are done, we'll put the light sensor bit. And as I said, I'm mentioning again, it's very important to put this in properly, otherwise your device will not light up basically. Put the bit of tape back for the hidden screw, and now we connect the screen back in. Make sure you put the tape back in for the ribbon, LCD ribbon, and that's it. Obviously you need to use an adhesive to put the screen back on properly, and there we go, voila.